Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the previous two videos, we already talked about the registration process and the validation of the email verification. Okay, so now we come with the next tutorial that is called the login. Okay, so we have done with the register. Okay, then register validate is done. Now we are going to move with the login. So here we have the login. Okay, so here we have the login process. So what it requires, require.body. Okay, so here we have to check the validation email and the password. If email is empty, then email is required, and email is invalid if something like wrong email is going over here. Okay, then the password field, right? These two requirements of that one. Okay, then we move to the, if it is invalid, if the validation check over here, whatever the error come over here, then we are throwing the error. Otherwise, then if it is not, then email we get, password we get. Okay, then find the user, because the logic is that how I logged in. So via the username and the password, email. So first we check the email whether it exists in the DB or not. If it is not, then email not found. Okay, and the user not validated if it is not validated, because if the user is not validating their email, the email is not validated message is going on, because he needs to validate their email. After that, we have to use the bicrypt to compare the passwords whatever we are getting in. If it is match, okay, then we are going to generate the, create the JWT payload. Okay, and send the token, right? And expire in 1 year. Whether you make it seconds or something, you can do that one. Okay, so here bearer token, bearer plus token we are returning, otherwise password is incorrect. Okay, so this is the flow of login. So what we are doing, first we are validating all the parameters are correct or not. Second, we are trying to check whether the email exists in the database or not. Third, we are checking whether the password is matching or not using the bicrypt. Okay, if it is all goes well, then we are using the JWT to validate the token and sending the token into the response. Okay, so let's see whether we are able to log in or not. So let's go to the postman. So here we have to go with the, I think we should use the previous one for the login, because the data is already there. Okay, so email we required and the password is required. So, okay, so if I go and just check this one, this thing, what happened? Okay, login, same, password incorrect because already incorrect, because we have added this one. So this is the correct one. Send this, success true, token bearer. You can see that we are successfully able to log in with that user, that email and the password, right? So this token can be used in all in your application to validate the security purpose, right? So that's it for now. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.